Many people reach a point where they stop believing their body can recover. After years of symptoms, fatigue, pain, inflammation, breathing problems, slow recovery, they begin thinking, maybe my body just can't heal anymore. And that belief becomes heavy, because once people lose hope in the body, they stop trusting the process. But here's what most people never realize. The body is constantly trying to repair. Every single day, cells are replaced, tissues rebuild, damage gets repaired, balance is maintained. This process is built into human biology. The body was designed for restoration. So the real question is not, can the body heal? The real question is, what interrupted the process? Because regeneration does not disappear overnight. It slows down when conditions change. When hydration is poor, repair slows. When structure weakens, stability declines. When energy drops, the body conserves resources. When stress remains high, survival takes priority. When waste accumulates, the system becomes congested. And slowly, the body shifts from repair mode into protection mode. This is where many people get discouraged. They focus only on symptoms or they search for quick fixes. But regeneration is not something you force. It is something the body returns to when the environment is restored. And this is one of the most important shifts in healing. People want the outcome: more energy, less pain, better breathing, a stronger body. But the body must go through the biological process required to create those outcomes. Healing follows sequence: hydration, structure, energy, safety, clearance, then regeneration. Most people try to start at the final step, but biology does not skip foundations, and lasting repair cannot be rushed. But once the conditions are restored, the body often responds in remarkable ways, not because of magic, because repair was built in all along. Your body is not your enemy. It is trying to protect you while waiting for the right conditions to rebuild. And when the process is respected, healing becomes possible again. If this resonates, comment "Restore" below and follow for more clarity on how the body actually rebuilds itself.